Alright, we're back. We got some good progress yesterday. I didn't get to stream that, unfortunately. But we are going to work on cleaning some stuff up. I have a few things to do right now with this. First of all, I'm going to see if I can get rid of this context theme wrapper. That's the first thing I want to do right now, because I think these material toggle button groups are not the thing that I want to use. I'm gonna go for a tab bar situation. These ones here, I can just comment out. We can just comment this whole thing out. This whole thing right here, we can say goodbye to, hopefully. We don't have the zoom buttons yet. We're gonna add some zoom buttons in. So I found this good example, which I can show real quick. Something like this, which uses a tab bar. So hopefully we can try to do this. Material card view, though, I don't know exactly what that is. Like, do I need to use material card view? This is not. I need like a visual of material card view so I can see what the heck it is. I don't know that I actually need the material card view specifically. It doesn't seem necessary. If I just do like a tab layout, let me see what the tab layout is actually for, or the material card view. I don't know what that is actually for. Let me see how this looks. I want that one, I guess. And create tab view. Yeah, let's grab that. Let's see here. And okay. This looks like I just need to pass it the right thing. Where is it? Create tab view, tab layout, get content. Oh, okay, that's fine, I guess. Alright, now I need to add this to my view, right? Let's do this. Relative layout, add view, tab layout. And I will make sure to generate an ID. Tab layout dot generate set ID is view generate ID. That way I can say I want it to be like that, and then I can say this here needs to be above the why is this relative layout. Above bottom bar, and I'm gonna connect my phone via wireless. Is it wireless? ADB. So, hello viewer. Hope you're doing well. Make sure I'm on the right Wi-Fi network. Yes. Okay, so now if I just click this, it should connect properly. Yeah, we're connected. And I can see if it works at all. Okay. Ah, yes, it is working. So it's kind of working. Doesn't quite look right. I might actually need to use this tab, this card view. Not totally sure what the card view is for. I kind of am a little concerned it's going to say I need to set that theme stuff, but we'll see what it says. If it doesn't yell at me about not having a material theme, then that would be pretty ideal. Doesn't have a set card corner radius. What was the corner radius here set on? Card corner radius. Why? Card corner radius. For some reason, not showing up as a thing I can do. Let's go back to this Stack Overflow here. It says set the corner radius, huh? Why is it showing it as something I can put on this material card view? Radius. So I don't know if that's a real thing. With card view layout for RAMs, we can add rules and say it should be above bottom bar. This is not gonna be better because I can't set this corner radius like this. Let's see. All right. Let's just see if we can see how that looks anyway. No, that crashed. Let me see what it says. It might have said, I need a material theme. Ah, yes, yes, yes. So I might not want to use material card view. I don't know if it's necessary. See if I can do it somehow without. I just think this example here in this Stack Overflow looks exactly like basically how I want it to look. So maybe it doesn't need to be a material card view. Maybe we can just do a regular card view. Is it? I already have a margin, right? Yeah, I can just do that. I want this thing to be align parent center. Center. Okay. See how this looks then. It looks weird. Because the text color is white. Alright, it doesn't seem quite right though. I need to set it so like when something's why don't I just set tab text colors. Set the text colors different states. Normal color 8 FFFF tab color? Tab indicator color? No indicator color? I do want an indicator color. What color though? Let's just go for dark gray. Selected color. How do I want it to look again? Where's my my example? So tab text colors should be normal is white and selected is black. Okay. That's what the one in this example says. Tab indicator, tab background color. I don't know. Fiddle with these colors a bit. Oh, I see. Tab indicator color. Right, because that's this little line at the bottom. And radius should be its button size, so like 56/2. There are buttons a certain size. How do I check? What's my button size? R height? No. Where is that code? Maybe I'm not setting it. Set to wrap content. And these tabs each are 56/56. Yeah. So make it circular. Alright. It's getting there. It needs some indicator, like when it's selected. I don't want it, I want it to be like, you know, the circle bubbles. On tab, set background. Okay. Let's see. Where am I setting the color of the set background? No. Set tab indicator, set background color, set tab text color. Where am I setting that white color? Set color. Draw a circular background for the text view. This doesn't seem to be working. Let's change this color to black. I want to see what it's doing because it's confusing. Okay. The text color here. Now, why does the tab view have the card view has a text color, doesn't it? No, where is it? Yeah, the tab layout. Set tab text colors. Text colors. So, am I supposed to put what kind of custom view? If the provided view contains a text view, that will be updated with the value given to set text. Okay, so maybe because I'm returning a text view, I don't need to do this here, because it should detect that. It's not updating, and for some reason this whole thing is white, so I need it to be transparent. Where am I setting the background of the thing to white? Set tab text colors. Set tab, set background color. Card view. Maybe I can set this background color. Card view, set background color, color transparent. Is this helping? Maybe. Yeah, okay. And the tab indicator color is still showing up for some reason. I want like parse color, don't I? Like this or something. Kind of like a transparent. Yeah. It looks weird now, though. Alright, so this here is very important. And for some reason, the set, where is it? Set selected tab indicator is not working because I still see it. Set tab text colors sets the text colors for the different states. So, hold up. How does this work? Set text zoom level. How do we do this? Okay, let's just do this. We're going to see how this looks without the custom view at all. Is it possible to set it to transparent? Okay. Sets the tab's indicator color. If the color is not transparent, the indicator will be wrapped and tinted. If you'd like the inherent color custom drawable, set color transparent. What is this? Fixed tabs display all tabs concurrently. Yes. Sets the text color. Yes. So these need to like have some sort of text view dot set on click listener. On All right, hold up. Tab view. Is it? Tab layout. All right. Let's see. Android tab layout. Circle. Tab layout. Set indicator. Okay, why can't I set the height to 0? I wonder. Ah, where's my music? Reload. No. Yes. All right. Cool. Tab indicator. Can I set it to null? Is it gonna blow up if I do that? It did not blow up. So that's cool. Tab. What is this? Tab. Set tab. I think I probably need to end up doing this custom view. What was this saying? Okay. Set tab indicator color transparent, tab mode fixed, tab indicator height 0. Selected text color. Set image button state. Set background. Tab view equals tab count. Get drawable. Stateless drawable. Tab layout. State list. Animator? State list drawable. Set image button state new. Set background. Set background? That's the one I was using. I don't think that's what I want. Card corner radius. Android X card view. Am I using the Android X one? Card corner radius. Why can't I set that? It's weird. I keep seeing this XML attribute that you can just set card corner radius. Which card view am I using? Android X card view. Set radius. Well, I was already setting it. Set background color. Is this? Get out of here with this. Let's see. I don't remember what it looked like. That looks so bad. Let's make it red so I can figure out what the heck is which part of it. Which part is which? It's really hard to do this stuff in only programmatic without the XML. I mean, compose would be cool too, I guess. I wonder if my emulator will start today. It's been crashing. It's a lot of crashes. I think it also just crashed. It says starting up, but that is a lie. I think if I restart my computer, I can just use it on my physical device. I just don't feel comfortable showing it on the stream, unfortunately. But whatever. Alright. So, unfortunately, when I use this custom view here, it doesn't follow this set tab text colors, which is annoying. On tab selected indicator. Guess I can do that. Okay, so that means I wouldn't need these. This call here. And then we can set the onSelected indicator. Do that. We can get rid of this one. We'll go black. What is this? Must implement. Okay. I will implement. It doesn't do anything. Something I need to change. Where did I set that to red? Which thing did I set to red? Card view? Yeah. Okay, so the circles aren't working quite correctly. Should be like, where's my picture again? See how that looks? So when it's selected, it also needs to change this drawable color. How do I do that? Let's where is it? What is it? Light blue? I mean, what colors do we have here? Blue? Blue. 0 to 255. Say 50. I don't know, dude. So that did not work. We'll just go light gray. I don't know. Well, UI stuff is so annoying, isn't it? I wonder if I can do it this way. So, supposedly... I can do this. And I can set this to some color. Oops. I don't know. Not sure if this is the right color. Let's see if it actually changes the colors. It does. So start off light gray. And can I say... set selected tab? How do I, like, select the tab? Wait, this should be after I set the tab listener, shouldn't it? Mm-hmm. Okay. Should I make a custom class for that? Like, maybe. But I don't wanna, but maybe I should. Alright, now the last thing that is making it look not so good is the non-rounded corners. And I think I should set these up differently, even though it's kind of annoying. I don't know. I think I should make a custom class for these tabs. I think it's an appropriate use for a nice custom class. And I want to know if there's like a way, instead of this like color being hard-coded here, I want to know if there's a way to get like the current, theme. Is this one 10 years ago? No, this is not one. How to get color, material colors. I feel like the material colors is gonna be bad for me. It's gonna complain. Anyways, it doesn't look like what I want. How to get system accent color? Maybe that's it. Typed array, theme overlay, array to accent first. Okay, actually I requested issue tracker, got an answer. And they wrote, try to receive the color obtain styled attributes, device default. Get and use the, okay, so something like this. Android. Yeah. Can I use that? To ARGB. RGB? Alpha? Convert? Color space? Color space. Wait, what? Color space? That's not a color space. Get? What do I do with this? I can't use that. Anyway, convert requires. Okay, color dot. Yikes. Color dot. ARGB to ARGB. Color accent. Obtain style attributes. Settings. Surround with try. Ooh, what? Typed array close? Okay. Color accent. Retrieve the color value for the attribute. I don't know how to use that, though. How do you use that? Color accent. Like, but what is color accent? Can I do that? Int? Wait, can I literally just do this? Maybe that works. I don't know. Let's see what color it looks like. One tab selected. I think that's correct. Now let me go to my settings here. I'm gonna change my colors. Is colors? No. Not colors. How do you change the theme? Colors? Style. Okay. Alright, I changed my color. Now I'm gonna restart my app and see if it picks it up. It did not. So, bummer. Yo, music, don't stop now. We're vibing. Oop. Okay. So I don't know exactly what that get color index 0. Achieve the color attribute at index. So I feel like that gets like the first color that it could be or something. I'm just messing with my phone theme and trying to set it to something cool. Alright, well, unfortunately though, that doesn't work. Because it only gets like some kind of default theme color. Device default. I mean, maybe that's okay. I don't know if that's smart, though. Like, wouldn't it be better to just use a kind of default of my own instead of getting it this way? I don't know, that doesn't seem good. Okay, so maybe we don't do that way then. We'll get rid of that. What was it before? I don't remember. 'Twas this color, which I think looked okay. Yeah, that looks okay. Okay, so a couple things. The tab. What background color? This background color. Okay, so let's see if we can set this to that. Oh, no. I'm thinking let's parse this here and let's make this one down here transparent and see if that helps the look of this, because something's not quite right. It doesn't quite look right. Still does not look right. Okay. The corners are not rounded on this. I don't know if it's the card view or something else. Set radius. Radius of the corners of the rectangle shape. The card view. Prevent corner overlap. On pre-Lollipop platforms, card view does not clip the bounds of the card for the rounded corners. Instead, it adds padding so it won't overlap. You can disable by setting this to false. Does not have anything with you having anything together. This was false. Card elevation. Guess I don't need a card elevation. Still not doing anything. This is annoying. I just want it to look rounded in the corners. Set camera distance? What the heck is this? So something is not right, and I don't know what. Make a little class here, a little custom class. Let's make this a float. Migrate. This should be like a string format. How do I do format? 0.2f. And decimal maximum. Okay. Set maximum integer digits 1. 1. Is that gonna look good? I don't know. Decimal format. Is that correct? How do you use a decimal format? 0? Decimal format. What is this? A practical guide to decimal format from our good friends over at Baildung. Maybe we can say like that. How's that? See how that looks. Seems okay. Alright. Cool. So now we just need to figure out a couple of things. First of all, we can say camera controller, set zoom ratio to whatever this is. Whoa! So I should actually do the zooming now when I tap each of those, which, oh, it's angry. Why'd it crash suddenly? Right, if the camera controller is ready. If the camera controller is ready. Does this have like a is enabled? Let's check. Camera controller is recording? What's is recording? No, that's not. Has camera, no. Is, no, none of those. Get camera info. Start recording, none of that. How do I just check if it's ready for... No idea. Let's just hope that I have things set up correctly so that it'll only do it if it's actually... Okay, so it didn't crash. Zoomed in, zoomed out, zoomed even farther out. So the zoom buttons work correctly. That's amazing. Fantastic. And pinch to zoom even works. Okay, but the only thing now is these need rounded corners on the edge, and it looks terrible. So, let's see if we can do that. Alright. Is my music too loud? I feel like I might turn it down a little. Let's turn it down to around here, this level. We just want it to be in the background. Should be audible, maybe, if you're listening, but hopefully not too loud. Okay. I should save the current zoom level. Probably. Zoom. Get the zoom level from there, and we'll set it to zoom ratio. Let's rename this to zoom ratio. Is it Shift F9? Nope, that runs. That's a debug. Is it Shift F6? Zoom ratio. Call that. When we set up the camera, we're going to set the zoom ratio. Actually, we're going to set this to 1. Reset it when we, because like if we switch the camera, you know, from front to back, we don't want it to be zoomed. So we're going to reset the zoom ratio. We set up the camera. And let's see here. What else do we need to do? We need to fix those rounded corners. So how should we handle that? I don't know exactly, because I think we're gonna have to have help from our good friend ChatGPT. Tab layout. Use the card corner radius. Is it possibly just not set high enough? Let's just set it to something really high value and see if it affects it. If it doesn't have any effect at all, yeah, then I know I'm not using the right thing. Now also, I want to see what happens if I do a color, because I'm confused by... Okay. Yes. So the card view is definitely the issue. But the radius isn't doing anything. The set radius call doesn't seem to be doing anything. It says specifically, updates the corner radius of the card view. It's definitely not doing anything though. So that's pretty annoying. Card view. Yeah, why is it not working? Alright. Need to set perform corner overlap to false. Wonder if it's because the tab layout has non-rounded corners? Music stopped. Why? Buffering? Hour 26. Let's see. Alright, hopefully that's okay. Tab layout, background color transparent, set content tab. Ensure the card view margins. Set margins. Maybe we can just set all these margins? I don't know. Doesn't seem to be doing anything. Clip the children. Card view. Can try that. Oh. Crashed because it doesn't like this here. Because I think it's not a view group. Why don't we say this? Because we know what the parent is. It's this relative layout, so maybe we can set it like that. Nope. That doesn't work. I mean, I have the radius set to an enormous size, right? It's doing nothing. I just want the rounded corners, man. You know? Tab layout, set match parent. Set some margins on here. Maybe. I don't know. These are just suggestions I'm finding. Not doing anything. Well, I mean, it's doing something, but it's not making the corners rounded. Yeah, the tab layout background is transparent, right? Tab layout, set background color transparent. Yes. I mean, I set it to a pretty high number. 200? Set radius. 200 dp. It's like very high. Let's try 16, okay? Maybe it's too high. It's so round it's square. No, that's not doing anything. What card view am I using? Is this from Android X card view? Yeah, it is. So that's all good. I can set the background. Try wrapping the car view in a frame layout. I'm not using a frame layout. Should I use a frame layout for the car view? I could, I guess. We can give it a try. Add to the frame layout, and then let's see. We're gonna add this to that view. Otherwise, whoa! That didn't work, but also made it go in a place it wasn't supposed to be on the view. Okay, so let's try this then. Set shape rectangle? Ah, that's the way. That did it. I don't like it, but it works. Now we're gonna say, make it like that. Now, let's comment that out. Comment that out. Comment that out. Let's comment this out. Because that was stuff we were just trying to see if it would help fix it. So, yeah. Okay. This is looking better. I'm gonna take a quick picture, see, make sure it shows up, does not show up in the right place. Okay, so above bottom bar, and this guy doesn't have an ID. Argue set ID, view generate ID. Then we have the film strip view. Film strip should be above this card view. Let's make sure that actually shows up properly now. Yep, beautiful. I'm gonna add this method. And is this? Wait a second. I'm already doing... Where is it? Gradient, drawable, oval. Content? Ripple drawable. I am not sure if this is correct. Drawable. Create ripple mask. This is all very fiddly, isn't it? And it's sort of verging on how much of this actually makes sense, but I think it looks better as this, so I wonder if this actually works. Let's see what happens, huh? It is not doing anything. Containers? Text view? Oof. I don't know about that. I feel like what I need is we have our tab layout, right? We need to say like tab layout selected I just want to like say, you know, don't use any tappy stuff on there. Why is this trying to make it so complicated? Well, let's just ignore it. I want to see if it actually works. That does not work. Tab layout. Set background. Wait, is my music done? Like, done? No. Nope, just a song transition. It's very quiet. Okay. Background. Can we do this? Set it to null. What happens if we do that? Nothing. This is already transparent. It must be the card view. What if we do this? Set this one to null. What does it do then? Something bad, I bet. Okay, wait. It's still showing the square. So that really makes me think it's part of this tab. So I make this null, it's still showing the square. I make this one null, it's still showing the square. That means it must be part of this text view, right? Am I setting the text view background? What if we just say text view, set background? What if we do that? Nothing. Didn't change it. Maybe this is way too big. Maybe we set it super small and see what happens. Nope, that didn't do anything. Set the text view to visible. still doing it. Is it the end of the world? No, but it's annoying. It is not doing anything helpful. Tablet layout, set background, transparent. I'm doing that, right? Set background. Oh, well, didn't I try this also? The background color transparent. It should be the same as, like, no. Ugh. It is not doing it. I'm doing this all the way. That should work. I mean, I'm doing it the way it says I should do it. The other thing is, I assume this one probably goes like bubbling between them. So I'm never going to get it like that polished. I think that would be just too ridiculous of an ask. Did I have this before? Let's comment that out and see if I can't remember if this is how it was. No, that's not how it was. It was set background to background. Maybe this is good enough. I mean, it's kind of annoying, but maybe that's just how it's gonna be. I kind of think it's good enough. So let's clean up things we don't need. Whoops. Maybe I do want some margins in there. Actually, that makes it look way worse because the effect is much more noticeable. Let's see about maybe this content padding here. Maybe that's what we can set. Yeah, I feel like this just makes the weird highlighting more noticeable. Yeah. I'm torn because it makes that weird highlighting look way worse, and that's a problem. I think we were around here. Somewhere around there. All right. Wish that worked. Can I turn that prevent corner overlap off? Don't think it really matters. Front-facing camera doesn't have the same zoom levels, so how do we do about that? Need to like get the min zoom level, but I don't know how to get the min zoom level. Zoom ratio, linear zoom. Get camera control, get camera info, intrinsic zoom ratio. Supported frame rate, zoom state. Okay, this is, I guess, not what I need. Camera info. Camera info. I need to look it up, I think. Android camera, get min zoom. It was part of the, like, what's it? Camera samples. Advanced. No, I don't think this is it. Utils? Source main Java utils. I know in the zoom there's a camera characteristics. Can I get camera characteristics? It's not in the basic one. Maybe it's not in the basic one. Camera 2 basic. Camera 2 utils. Was it in here? No. Source. Camera 2 extensions, I think, had it. Pretty sure. Where the heck is it? Zoom. Yeah, camera characteristics. Like, so can I get camera characteristics? I don't know. Android camera X zoom X. On scale. How do I know if it's maximum? Get camera control? I don't know. Get default use case. That's not what I want. Just want to know, like, how to figure out what the min zoom and the max zoom. It's just a question. Max. Quality. Min? I just want to know, how do you get the range? No, hold up. Go back. Set zoom ratio. Use camera. Get camera, set zoom ratio. Get zoom state, get, okay, if the ratio is zoom state, min zoom. Okay, so maybe that's it. Let's see, camera controller, zoom state dot get zoom state. Is it live data? Get linear zoom? Get min zoom ratio. Ah. Okay. So let's set this up when we set up the camera. Get zoom state dot observe. We're going to say this is require activity and we're going to do this. Now then, delete this and actually let's do float min zoom equals 0. Float max zoom equals 1f. Whatever. Min zoom equals zoom ratio or state. Zoom state min zoom. Max zoom equals zoom state max zoom. Okay. Is there a default zoom? Default zoom would be cool. With zoom state. Is it not? It's called zoom ratio. think that I can do this way. Needs to be that, and I'm not setting it. Cool. Yeah, let's do it like that. Now, the only thing we need to change is this needs to be after. Oh, yikes. Gonna have to set it up so that gonna have to set it up in setup camera, aren't I? So let's do this. We can say, let's not do this add tab, this stuff, until it's all set up. So first of all, let's make this a field. And we can set this here. When on create, I think we can do it in on create. We have on create somewhere? Yes. That's great. Then, okay, once the camera is set up, we can set up the tabs. So let's make a method for that real quick, I guess. Oh, this is a lot of code, isn't it? Let's make a method of this. This should be done when the camera is set up. Why am I scrolling everywhere? Where is the camera setup? Wow, down there. Okay. All right. Now, the only thing is, this needs the min zoom. So like, we should say if zoom tabs got empty. Let's just do that and see what happens. This might be weird. Max zoom is 0. Is that true? Maximum fraction, maximum integer digits should be 3. $30x. Yo, that's a lot of zoom. All right. Now, that works. The max zoom apparently on that camera is 30x. So let's check. We want to say when we switch cameras, we can remove all those tabs, I guess. Does that seem good? When we flip cameras, yeah, okay. And tab layout dot remove all tabs. See if that does something. Okay, I'm flipping. Okay, now, only thing is, it's not properly setting the selected tab. Create zoom tabs, it should say. Tab layout, set selected tab. Select tab. Get tab at. All right. So on the back-facing camera, we have half zoom as the min, 1x, 2x, and 30x as the max. Then we flip, we have 10x on the front as the max, and 0.9x, and it defaults to 1. So, works beautifully, I guess. the live data. Okay, so I think this is good. It says it changes also when you start the camera. Set camera selector. Let's move it up here then. We're gonna observe. Actually, we're gonna set it when we make this camera controller. When do we do that? On create view. Is that where I should do it? Or maybe, well, because this view is set here. On view created. Let's do it here. View created. Alright. So that says, after the view is created, set up my camera controller, bind this observer for the zoom state business. It properly, it works. If the zoom tabs are empty, create the zoom tabs. Am I also calling it up here? I am calling when you flip, okay, and then I'm calling setup camera. Guys, I think it properly works because when I flip the camera, right, I call setup camera again, which changes the camera selector. And when the camera selector changes, this live data observe kicks off. Which, since that's empty before I set up the camera again, it's going to recreate those tabs. So I think that's perfect. It's doing exactly what it's supposed to do. Alright, get thumbnail should be moved down. I think I don't need zoom ratio is not used. Okay. Those are both fine. Can add like a ignore deprecated. Camera plugin's doing that somewhere. I'll just see what's doing. Deprecated. Suppress warnings deprecation. Yo, don't do that. Where's my camera controller? Oh. Yep. Is there any place? 56. 56. This should be like, is it int? Yeah, int. Circle size. We'll call it 56. I don't understand how this should work. Create zoom tabs. 56, 56. Well, I don't know. All right. So maybe we say we don't need these ones. I don't know. I'm kind of want them here anyway. I'm going to make those ones also fields because I think that's good. I don't know, it just seems proper even though I don't need them to be, you know? Let's extract a method here. Can I get it to return? Hold up. Let's just do this then. Create close button. Refactor. Create done button. Oops. Refactor. Create. Yep. Create take picture button. Vector. Create zoom tab layout. Create film strip view. Create preview. Can I get the... Now I see the structure? Structure. Not of the camera plugin. Is that the end of the playlist? Yes. No, not quite. There's a little bit left. I better find another one. Something longer. Let's see. Maybe this one. There's a little bit more on this song, and then we'll go to this next one. Just rearranging some stuff here. Trying to make it logically make some sense. These are like some utility methods down here. These are on create view. I wish I could like drag to rearrange. Like, why can't I? Move up. I want on create to be first. See. Where's the bottom bar? We're gonna make a thing for that, aren't we? Refactor. Extract method. Okay. So let's start from the bottom up. From the bottom up, should we do that? Does that make sense? This would be last if that was the case. This would be above that. This is above these. These would be last. Is it? It's above the bottom bar. Okay. Should it be above the zoom bar? It's above the bottom bar. The zoom buttons and film grip overlap it slightly. Pose button and flash are top and left right corners. Okay. Now, does changing the order of that stuff at all change the Z of it? Nah, looks good still. Let's double check here. Take a picture and just make sure our film strip looks okay. The film strip does not look okay. Where did it go? So this is above the zoom tab card view, which should be added. I think that was it. So here we go. New playlist. Create film strip view above zoom cards. So should be fine, right? Because film strip goes above the zoom tab, zoom card, set ID. So it should have an ID. Let me restart this. Something's not right. Everything else is showing up just fine except for the thumbnails. Maybe I will take a quick breakpoint in here and see if it looks like it's doing stuff properly. Yeah, it's hitting that. Oh. But where is the film strip? It has disappeared. Create zoom tab layout, zoom tab set ID. Okay. Then the film strip view says put it above the zoom top. Is that not what it's called? Zoom tab card view. Yeah. Goes above that. But if we just make it go above the bottom bar, will it show up? Something's not right. It's not showing up. Let's make sure this makes sense. First we create the bottom bar. Then we make these buttons, which are part of it, so that's fine. Then we make the zoom tab layout. Zoom tab layout says it's above the bottom bar, so that's fine. And then we say we make the film strip view. Preview view above bottom bar. Film strip also above bottom bar. Above the zoom tab card view. I don't know about this. Why is it not working? I need to look at my image thumbnail adapter, I guess. Where is this? It's being called, right? Add thumbnail. Let's just put a breakpoint there and see if we actually get this thing to fire. I don't know why, it's just seems like it is invisible. Oop. Okay. Okay, take a picture. Thumbnail added. Yes. Bitmap. Looks good. It's my desk. But is this giant thing the thumbnail? Hold up. It's frozen. I need to unpause my breakpoint. I'm trying to see if maybe for some reason it's scaling to be way too big or something. No, that's still the preview view. So where's my thumbnails? Before I refactored this, it was all working just fine. Now it has disappeared. Oh boy. I guess I need to put some more breakpoints in to see what the heck's going on. Okay, so let's say we put a breakpoint in the film strip view here and make sure that this has a view ID. It should. I don't know why it wouldn't. All I did was put it in a method. Okay. Zoom tab, card view. Yes. Collecting data. Good. ID. What's the ID? 5 as an ID. So it should be fine. And like the rest of this stuff is working, like the callbacks are working, it's just not showing up. Above zoom. Maybe we should say, earlier I think I was doing this preview earlier in this list. Maybe I should do it right after the bottom bar, like that, then create these. I don't know if there's some like Z level thing that's messing it up, but it doesn't make any sense because the zoom buttons are showing up just fine. Yes, yes, I forgot to cancel stuff. Turn off my breakpoint. I know. Okay, now it shows them. So order does matter? Weird. I don't get it. Okay. I would like to not do the ordering like that. So I wonder if is it possible to just like set the Z level on this? And also, was I setting the Z level on the zooms? I can't remember. Zoom. Set corner radius. Yes, yes. Yes. I thought I had something in here about the Z height. Maybe not. Okay, well, that's fine. In any case, it's working. So, what's this? Yeah? Okay. So, first make the bar and put the buttons in the bar. Should these be in this? I kind of think so. I don't know. When you create the bottom bar, should it also make these buttons in there? Yeah, I think it should. We can do that. That would mean it needs to take those. Fine, that's okay then. Does it have a suggestion? Create field, create local variable, create parameter. Okay. Create parameter. And then when I call this, look at that. Okay, so this is much cleaner to look at. Very simple. Bloop. And then each of those does a thing. I don't like this being here. Going to move it to down here. Preview first. Does that make sense? I think it should be in this same order as this. So it'll be bottom bar and the buttons first. Where is my bottom bar? Right down here. No, it's up there? That's no good. Okay. Okay, these buttons here. Not those ones. Flash. Yes. Take picture button. Yes. And the flip button should be there. Then the preview, then the film strip, then the zoom tabs, then the done and the close. And this one can be last because it's kind of a utility thing. Okay, let's make sure that matches. Create view, we have bottom bar, then, which does these ones, these buttons, then the preview view, then zoom tab, film strip should be below those. Down here. Okay. Can I like do a format? Why doesn't it have like a format? Where's format? Format? Edit? Must be a format in here, right? Tools? Code cleanup, reformat, file. Well, it organized it a way that it likes. Do I like it that way? On create view, on view created. Did it just like do it alphabetically? B, F, T, F? No. I don't know exactly what order it decided to put it in. Actually, super. No, it doesn't have that. That's fine. Cool. So, I don't really understand the rearranging it did. I guess I don't object, and it's following some kind of rule, so it's probably better than my arbitrary ordering, I guess? Guess. I'm gonna just leave these even though... Can I suppress it? More actions? Suppress... No? What is the complaint? Field local variable. Suppress warnings, field local. Okay. What is it? What's it called? What's the one I'm looking for? I mean, I don't know what that is. Just this name of a string. What is this string? How do I figure out what the warnings panel? Build? Analyzer? Problems? Edit inspection. Can I do that? Let's do this. So suppress warnings? Let's just put it on the class, huh? I don't know if it's better to do this or the other one. Tag is never used. Suppress for field. Unused. Cool. Zoom ratio is not used. Well, that's true. Do I want to delete it though? Kinda not. For some reason, this view does not have, oh, okay, it does have suppress for field. Whatever. Yes, so fine. And fix this song playing. Yeah. All right. This can be simplified. This can be simplified, I guess. Okay. typo in Word. FFFF. No, it's not. I mean, maybe I shouldn't be doing it like this. Should be like a field, probably. This is our what? Zoom tab background color. Yeah, final. And I'll put it up here. And we will suppress a typo. Why can I not suppress typo? That's not it. Typo. How do I what? How do I suppress this warning then if it's not typo? What is it? Typos? Oh, annoying. Alright, where's my other color? Extract, refactor, field. In the zoom, in the camera fragment, I think. Zoom button color. Oops. I really, really, really want to suppress this typo warning. Fix typo. How do I ignore it then? Suppress warnings typo. There must be an easy typo. Spell checking inspection? Ah. Hooray. Alright. No warnings in there. No problems at all. What a beautiful class it is. And now we go over to the thumbnail wrapper. Unused import statement. Yep. Okay. Fine. URI's never used. Yeah, well, somebody else. I guess these are actually never called? Thumbnail added. Because I am not using it anywhere. Right? Is that why? Because I'm not using it here. So, I mean, do I need that? Maybe not. I don't know. It's nice to have the like, theoretically, when you add a thumbnail here, it's kind of nice to have that confirmation, like, okay, it was successfully added. But if I'm never using it, should I just get rid of it? That's fine. I think I just go up here and I just say, I don't really care. Alright, now that has no problems either. Alright, so now I think I can get rid of a couple of things. I have this camera bottom sheet fragment. I'm going to delete. And I have this guy, which I'm not using anymore, and I can delete. And then we can rename this one, because I like not having the X. We'll just call it the camera fragment. Camera fragment. Now the only thing that's kind of like not awesome, in my opinion, and people might not like, is when you click take single photo, it opens the regular camera app. And wait, why does it say? And then if I cancel that and I use my custom one, it looks different. And you can notice it looks different. Is it like different enough to be annoying to people? That's a question. That's a question. I'm not sure what the answer is. Oh no. It's noticeably different than my default camera app, but it's going to be different than like everybody's camera app, isn't it? Isn't it just like good enough anyway? Settings, flash, more settings. Yeah, I mean, you know, should I make those zoom buttons smaller? At least on my device, those zoom buttons are smaller. I wonder if I should just make them a bit smaller. Let's see. This 56 here. Whoa, 56. 56? There we go. Circle size. Let's go for what is the floating action button size again? Shoot. Size mini says 40 dp. Size normal is 56, I think. Yeah, okay, so let's go for 40 on these zoom buttons. Is the text needs to be smaller, or I'm not sure. Let's see what it looks like. Text does need to be smaller. So zoom buttons are set up text view, set text size. Size. Yeesh. $10? Sounds small. No, that's enormous. Alright, let's go with 4. That looks better, I think. They're much smaller. We can mirror my display and I can show real quick. So let's go flip mode. Monitors. All right. Always stop mirroring so I can use my phone. All right. Now, question is, oops. When you take a picture, does it still look like thumbnails are okay? Yeah, those thumbnails are still good. Alright. Except, the only thing that looks weird now is the background of this here card view. Maybe I should keep that as 56. Yeah, that looks better, but I don't really know why. What am I setting the... It's wrap content. And the content is 40-ish, plus some padding. I don't really like it because it feels kind of like a magic number. It's plus 16. How much padding did I add? Zoom tabs. 40. Padding is 8. So 8 and 8, 16. I guess that makes sense. Alright, cool. So, Now then, what we need to do, we need to get the clone, the fork, because this is just cloned in here. So I need to fork the actual repo on GitHub, then add these changes and commit them. And I don't like this color background. What is this? ARGB? What color is this? Is this helpful? No. Hex? That's not the color. Seem to have background color? That doesn't look right to me. Is this backwards? Set color of the zoom button. Okay, but that other one didn't look right to me. This here. Is it because it's ARGB? This is not including alpha channel, is it? That's annoying. Well, why is one of these have ARGB? And this one's not hex? RGBA to hex. Eight zero? What the heck is this? AARR, yeah. So the alpha is 80? FFFFF. Gonna make it like... Alright, let's just go to 90. 90 hex? That's gonna be higher, right? Oh, okay. So what we want, I just can easily just actually hold up. If 255 is the highest, and we want like 50%. Okay. It's gonna be like 128. Why don't we just say 128 to hex? Hex 80. What? Okay. $200? This could be a lot darker, is it? C8? Just see what it looks like anyway. I don't know. That seems less alpha, but also seems not to be changing I think FFF is white, isn't it? So like if this is FF, it's just gonna be white, I think, right? Like I want 0, 0. Yeah, I think that's why it's... So like we want 80 with the zeros, probably. Because that's black, right? No colors is black. But we could do like a dark gray. And that might look better. Actually, this does look okay. Can I screen? I do like the look of that better. But I want to double check what it looks like in the normal camera app because I can't remember. So, yeah. Yeah, but the buttons of the normal camera app have some transparency. So like the close button, for example, I'm setting the background colors like that. Should I have... I don't know. I don't really think I should mess with it. But... let's see. Zoom color button. I'm gonna set this like that. And... light gray. Actually, we could make some, so we don't have to parse these colors all the time, you know? I can... Whoa! Had a crash. Unknown color. Is that right? AD D8 E6. Really? Unknown color? Let's comment that out. Should be... I think let's just say set selected false. We could do this like last, right? That broke it for some reason. Why? It just disappeared entirely. If we set it right there, right? This is just... okay. We cannot do it this way then. Fine. But I don't want this light gray. I want this. And actually, where is it? Dark gray? We should go with dark gray. C8, was it? 200? 200. 128 plus 64. I don't know. What's plus 32? 64? Should we go 192? Or that's 256. So 64 plus 32. 224. 16. What's that? 208. That's a reasonable value, right? B0. So we'll make this into color up top in our fields when we get it working properly, but zoom button color, let's go like that. Yeah, D. Oh, I should have just realized I could just easily. Okay, is this a joke? It has disappeared entirely. Set color. Man. I don't want this. I want color.light gray. Parse color. It's like a little opaque. Yeah, like not that much. Okay, but I want the light gray to be slightly opaque also. So why is that not working? Color.parseColor. And it's going to be light gray. Let's just do that, right? If this works, then I can set it to a different opacity by changing those to Fs. That has caused it to disappear. The entire zoom buttons are gone. Why? Background.setColor. Okay, I'm gonna leave that as light gray. And then I'm gonna do this. I tried before. Set text color. should be that I can set it like this. Yes, but for some reason, it doesn't want to let me. Doesn't want to let me set these other colors. So this button color works. No pointer. Whatever. So set color, color, parse color. Why can I not, like, okay, let me just theoretically do this. Does this work? Or is it going to make it disappear again? Okay, so that works. Right. Now, light gray is, oh, because the 0x's. Dang it. Does that mean I can actually just... Oh. Maybe I can do that. Color in. Annotations not allowed here. Okay, I understand now why it wasn't working. Parse color. It's because it doesn't like these FFs, or the 0x's, I mean. So I can do D0 CCCC, and if I might like the way that looks, I think. No, still gone. Well, because it needs a hashtag, doesn't it? It needs the hashtag and doesn't need the 0x. Yeah, that's good, right? Yep. Yes, very slightly transparent. Not very much, just a smidge. Can see. It's hard to see because, so maybe we should go for a more transparent look. I don't know. D. Should we go for C? Let's go for C. C? C. That seems reasonable. Yeah, I think that looks good. Now, where was I doing the other background? This one? 8. I think this should be a little lighter. Yeah, I like the look of that. That's just about right. It's kind of hard to see unless you have something like these like colors on my keyboard that shine through. And that's easy to see. But other stuff's not as easy to see. Alright. I'll mirror real quick. This is what we're looking at. We got these buttons. It's my desk. Oh no, what can we put behind it? Here's something. Look at this little man. Hello, little man. Can kind of see his colors through the buttons. It's really hard to see on this device mirror. Very slight. So, yeah, you can see it. Alright. I think I'm done fiddling with that. Which means it is time to do a little... oh, yes, let's do this. Okay, we can say color int is private final zoom. Let's say equals int yeah. All right. This should also get rid of that spell check problem. And we could make it all caps, can't we? Zoom button selected. Zoom button color selected. And this one should be not selected. Selected. I guess that makes sense. Yeah, it does need to be on a separate line, doesn't it? Is this the proper format? Where's my format? Code, format, Alt Control L. I don't know. Do I want to remove custom line breaks? What was that? But combo again? Code. Alt Control Shift L. Ookie. Let's go with no. Cause yeah. Alright. That seems good. Okay. Where's my problems view? No problems. No problems. Do I have any hashtags in here? That's the only one. Cool. So that's success. Success. Alright, nice. That means we should go over to the GitHub repo. Is it Ionic? I think it's this one. So I'm gonna fork. I need to clone that. All right. I don't know. I need to see what the changes are recently. 2 weeks ago. You know what? I think I can't do this today. That's my next task I'll be working on, is getting my changes into my fork and push my fork so that I can have it in a PR. I think I gotta call it here. It's almost 1 p.m. my time, and I feel like I'm just about to hop into some bigger stuff, so I should probably call it. Otherwise, I'll get too far into it and then end up not having time to eat lunch and stuff, and that will be bad for me. Yeah, I think we did a lot of great progress today. This feature's pretty wrapped up for Android, and I'm gonna roll it into a PR. So nice. All right, well, hope everybody has a nice weekend, anybody who's watching or listening. And I only have one viewer, so don't think I can raid, but maybe I could raid somebody who doesn't have raids disabled. I don't know, raiding with one person is no good anyway, so we'll just call it there. Have a good one. See you next time.